So I'm currently at Heaton Depot just outside of Newcastle, and they've got an open day, an open event, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. We're going to go and see some steam trains. You'll see Nigel Gresley's here, they've obviously got the northern trains and so much more. Should we check it out? Let's go. Heaton TrainCare Centre is situated approximately 2.8 miles east of Newcastle Central Station on the North Line to Morpeth. The site is equipped with overhead live electrical equipment supporting the housing and maintenance of diesel and bi-mode multiple unit trains. The TrainCare Centre is operational 24 hours with coverage all year round, including public holidays. The facility is currently employing 200 plus personnel alongside internal and external contractors for its operational purposes. The site is responsible for the cleaning, fuelling, servicing and maintenance of railway vehicles on behalf of the Northern Rail Limited, supporting the overall UK rail industry for customer transport. The facility has scope to carry out all levels of work on diesel multiple unit trains, ranging from fuel point servicing to a full range of extensive examinations, overhauls, major performance modifications or reliable component changes. As early as 1847, Heaton was set to develop into a railway centre of major importance. The Newcastle and North Shields Railway had been opened in 1839, and 8 years later this was absorbed by the Newcastle and Berwick Railway. With a junction between the two lines at Heaton, and the area between the two lines was destined to be developed for a variety of railway uses, especially motive power provision. In 1875, a motive power depot for steam locomotives was built at Heaton, located in the apex of the lines formed by the junction of the East Coast Main Line and the Coast Line. In 1950, the 8-road shed had allocations of no less than 119 locomotives, meeting local needs as well as freight and passenger services on the East Coast Main Line. Heaton served as a steam depot until it was closed in June 1963, its remaining allocations being transferred to Gateshead Depot. However, it was used for the storage and stabling of steam locomotives, more or less as a sub-shed of Gateshead for another 3 years. At the turn of the 19th century, the North Eastern Railway met with the perceived threat of the burgeoning Tyneside tram system by electrifying the lines from Newcastle to the coast. They formed a circle via Heaton, Wallsend, North Shields, Whitley Bay, Monkshaven, Gosforth and Jesmond. The new service was fully operational in 1904, and the trains were housed and maintained in the carriage sheds at Walkergate, about a quarter of a mile due east of Heaton Steam Shed. However, a disastrous fire in 1918 destroyed 34 carriages and badly damaged the buildings. Instead of rebuilding the sheds at Walkergate, new car sheds were erected at South Gosforth on the north line of the junction of the Ponteland branch with the electric circle. This became the depot for all electric trains on Tyneside until the lines were de-electrified in 1967. However, the Walkergate car sheds were eventually repaired and became a wagon works. The buildings still stand, though now in a non-railway use, and are visible from Walkergate station. The site was also used for the stabling and cleaning of carriages until the demise of locomotion hauled stock in the early 1990s. The 6-road carriage shed situated between Walkergate buildings and the present depot is now disused and fenced off. Following the closure of the steam shed and its eventual demolition, the site was redeveloped to meet the needs of the diesel age. The present depot was commissioned in November 1977, specifically to deal with the then introduced HSTs working on the East Coast Main Line. Up to 9 HST power cars were allocated to Heaton, including the Tees Tyne Pullman. very, very long. It's going on for miles. It's going all the way down the edge of the depot. I'll show you. Here. It's going all the way down there. 3 of them are all first class. Can't actually see inside. But it's got people on it. So that was the Heaton Depot event. There was a few trains there, as you could see yourself. It was great to see Sir Nigel Gresley and the likes, and just have a little wander around. I have had a private tour of that quite a few months ago, but it was nice to see more trains and see the people enjoying themselves. Seeing some amazing food. That Indian food was absolutely to die for. It was beautiful. If you were there, did you try it? It was, oh, I could have had so much more of that. But yeah, it was like a chicken tikka with masala chips. Oh, amazing. Anyway, I'm at Walkergate station now, waiting for the metro to take me back to Newcastle Central Station and get myself home. So if you've enjoyed this little video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. So take care of yourself, and bye bye.